Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and bring you a little nighttime after dark cleaning motivation. As you can see, my house is a little upside down. I have visitors today, so I was outside all day, and the kids were inside and the grown-ups were outside, and as you could see what the kids did. So anyway, I'm gonna try to just do a power hour really quick, just tidy up a little, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and clean up a little more. But let's see, because I always say I'm gonna do an hour, and next thing you know is 3 hours in and I'm still cleaning. So, but I am a little tired today, but I just couldn't go to sleep with the house looking like this. Well, at least the living room. That's the main room in the house, so I couldn't go to sleep with the living room looking like this. So enough talking, let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
Thinking, so I close my eyes, 'cause you reflect in everything.
I don't even want to know what this is. I don't know if you could catch it in the camera, but this was so sticky, so sticky. It looked like apple juice, but it was really sticky. Oh my God. Anyway, let's go ahead and tackle this monster. This time I would like to take a few minutes to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I know I've been getting a few new subscribers. Thank you so much. I am so appreciated that you decided to go ahead and hit that subscription button. Just don't forget to go ahead and like my videos, hit that notification bell, so like that you guys could get notice when I upload. I am scheduled to upload every Wednesdays and every Saturdays, but sometimes depending on my health or on situations of life, sometimes I can't. But if you do have that notification bell on, when I do upload, you get notified and you won't miss that video. So again, thank you so much. I am so appreciated. I love you guys to the moon and back. And thank you. I feel honored, and welcome to the Sanchez YouTube family.
파란 하늘에 핑크빛 구름, 네 손에 나에게 준 chocolate. I'm feeling so good. 눈에 보이는 모든 게 예뻐. You already made my day. 다가와서 꽉 안아줄 때 충전되는 이 느낌. 너와 함께라면 어디든 좋아. 지금 이대로면 멈춰도 좋아. 뚜렷한 기억, 처음 손잡은 그날, 누구 건지 모를 promise when we'll never let go. 헤어지기가 아쉬운 나날들. Oh, you're my sunny day. 점점 깊어져만 가 나를 향한 네맘 뭐랄까 사랑한단 말로는 표현이 부족한데 그래 너와 함께라면 어디든 좋아 지금
I know I keep saying that I have to do a video decluttering my granddaughter's toys. My house is getting overrun by toys. I will definitely do a decluttering video with her. I just feel bad. I don't want to go ahead and purge, donate, or throw away any of her toys without her being around, because I might think she's not attached to one toy and either donate it or, give it away or throw it in the garbage. And then my luck, here she comes and asks for that particular toy that I donated or gave away or threw it in the garbage. So, yeah, stay tuned for that video. I think it's going to be fun seeing her reaction while we purge some of her toys.
Life is in a stream. The ocean called for you and me. Still, I'm in this game, but without my closest friend.
This helicopter right here belonged to my granddaughter's father. So as you can see, I think I'm more attached to toys than they are, because again, the truck that's in the dollhouse belonged to her father, and the little helicopter that I just showed you also belonged to her father. So she's playing with her father's toys. So yeah, I'm kind of a hoarder myself, so I can't blame her, because she wouldn't know if I threw toys away. I just get attached to her toys, to her baby toys. So yeah, but definitely we have to before Christmas, we definitely have to purge some of her toys for the new toys.
Free, feel free to run, naked once again, and dreams turns into ashes. But here you are, still in my arms. It's shining through the light in you.
Okay, guys, I usually go ahead and vacuum, but being that it's late and everybody's sleeping and my granddaughter's sleeping, I'm afraid if I turn on the vacuum, she'll wake up. And if she wakes up at this time, she will definitely won't go back to sleep till like 3 or 4 in the morning. And we can't have that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way and sweep. Sometimes sweeping is better than vacuuming because it takes everything out. I'm not too fond of it because I have asthma, and if there's dust in the rug, I'll get like the little cough. But in this situation, I don't have no other choice. There's a lot of like cookie crumbs and candy in the floor, and I have to sweep it up. And I don't want to use the vacuum because I don't want to wake up the baby. So, yeah.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this short power hour nighttime cleaning motivation with me. This was a quick nighttime cleaning motivation. I hope you guys got the little motivation that you guys needed or need, because sometimes we have such a busy day and our house is a mess at the end of the day, and we're so exhausted, we're so tired from dealing with the everyday shenanigans of the house, that we look at the house and we're like, with our mind we want to clean it, but our body is like, no girl, not today. So I hope that I motivated you enough to just take an hour. Just put yourself in an hour. Let me see how much I could clean in an hour. I guarantee you that in the morning you will feel good about yourself. Even if you didn't finish the job, if you didn't finish cleaning up the whole room, just by cleaning at least half of it, you will feel so much better in the morning, because you don't have to clean a whole room. You only have to clean half a room, or you have a room less to clean in the morning. Anyway, enough yapping. Till next time, toodles.
It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try, but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're